There's a little known feature that comes in really handy when drawing in Adobe Illustrator. There are a lot of times when you want to have things that you draw contained inside something else so that you don't have any unnecessary edges. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's say I've got my little angry bird guy here. He's actually one of the little piggies, and I want to draw his mouth. But when I draw his mouth, I want to make a tongue and teeth and have those show, but only inside the mouth. If I grab an ellipse and I draw his little mouth here, let's say, and I change its color, so it's got a little red to it, dark red, and then I want to actually move it behind the nose, let's say. I'm gonna grab the nose, grab those pieces, and bring those forward so they're in front of the mouth. All right, well, let's say first I want to draw a little tongue. So what I could try to do is draw a shape like this, change its color to kind of a pinkish color. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the stroke color so it's just that shape by itself. Then, without knowing this new feature, what I could do is, try to realign that shape or go in really close and try to customize that shape so it doesn't overlap the edge and try to line things up, which can be really challenging and a little bit difficult. So instead of doing that, what I'm going to do is click on that circle and select over on the toolbar this option called Draw Inside. So it's a little known little option that's there on the toolbar. If you don't see it, make sure that you're using the Essentials Classic workspace, which can be found under the window menu, Workspace, Essentials Classic, and click on that Draw Inside. When you click Draw Inside, you get these little extra little outline boundary around the shape so that whatever I draw now will show up inside that object. So look, I just drew that little tongue shape. I can adjust the stroke and change the color. And no matter what I do, that new object is clipped inside that little mouth. Now, this is considered a clipping mask. That's what it is. But you're actually drawing inside the clipping mask without having to do all the extra work of grouping and putting things inside. It's just there for you right away. Last thing I'm going to do maybe is draw a couple rounded rectangles here and to make some teeth. And you'll see that they fit neatly inside the little mouth shape. And all I have to do when I'm done is just move my selector over to draw normal. And then that object is finished. And that object is inside the other one. So quick and easy way to conceal edges of shapes inside another makes drawing more complex things a little bit easier. If you like these tips, look on my links below. I've got more. You can connect with me and see some of my courses and things I have available.